Hey everyone, so as you can see today this drink is not going to be as sweet as the ones I normally make, but I decided to try a margarita without the tequila and try the Hennessy. Okay guys, so I'm back with another video and today I'm going to show you how I make my peach Hennessy margarita cocktails. So I'm going to start off with some simply limeade juice. And then I have my simply peach juice. And of course our Hennessy. Squeeze just a little bit more lime juice in there. Turn it on. Alright, so I have my cup. I'm just going to put some lime around it so I can put the salt on it. I have my margarita salt. You can get any brand. Then I also have a little puree I made. I actually have white peaches. I thought I had the regular ones, but I ended up picking up a white peach. But I have a little puree here. I just put some peaches in a boiling pot and I put in some water and sugar and just let it boil until it got soft and smushed it up and just drained the liquid out of it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that at the bottom. Pour in my drink. Then I have my lime. Put a peach in there. You can put some inside if you like. Then I get my straw. And there you have it. I guess I call it a white peach margarita, or white peach Hennessy margarita. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Thank you.